Welcome to the National Office of the Muscular Dystrophy Foundation of South Africa. We are here to serve, support, and strengthen the community living with muscular dystrophy. Our team includes Gerda Brown, the director, and Sari Bauer, the administrator and fundraiser. Together, we keep the organization running, responsive, and connected to people who need us most. In 2026, our focus remains clear. First, support and guidance. We walk alongside individuals and families as they navigate diagnosis, care, and the daily challenges that come with muscular dystrophy. Psychosocial support is provided by the MDFSA branches. The National Office leads the program to provide assistance with genetic testing, which help families access important diagnostic services. Second, advocacy and awareness. We work to give a voice to those affected and to educate the public about muscular dystrophy and related conditions. I'm sure you've seen us on TV or in your local newspaper or heard us over the radio. Every September during Muscular Dystrophy Awareness Month, we run our biggest campaign called the Get Into the Green Scene, where people across the country show support by sharing green-themed photos on social media. Third, research support and collaboration. We help connect families to research opportunities and better future care. Through partnerships like Treat NMD, members with conditions such as SMA, LGMD, DMD, and this year FSHD are added to global registries. We also partnered with the CHM Biobank at the University of the Northwest to support future medical research through sample and data collection. Fourth, information and education. We provide clear, practical resources for families and professionals, including fact sheets, emergency cards, and updated information on different types of muscular dystrophy. And finally, sustainability and growth. We continue working to strengthen the foundation of the organization so that support services can continue long into the future. Fundraising remains a challenge, and every contribution, no matter the size, truly makes a difference.